Hi there, my name is Max. I'm from Amias Bots, and this Roomba's name's Chewy, and we're gonna clean the siders from my ice set. It looks similar to I ate, so let's flip you over, Chewy. Screwdriver in the middle, unscrew. It's like the third time I did it for today, because I'm trying to do, I'm gonna hair. But careful, you don't want your Roomba to get the hair out, most of the hair outside. That might have a little trouble with the screwing. See, like this, it'll kind of just, the hair will wrap around it. So we don't want that to happen. I think it goes back. Let's see if it comes off. There we go. Let's take off all the hair. You have to do this once a week. So, clip your control. That would be better with the D-Bot sun brusher. So let's just throw this. Oh wait, we could use the dustbin as the trash can. So then, let's just open it up. Put it in the trash can, and that's it. But we'll just have to reinstall it. Then see this? Put it in this little hole. See? Push it in. That's it. Next, you just, where'd the screw go? Oh, it's still on. You put the sunburst on, push it in. Now you have to screw it in. I know if you push it in, it'll work fine, but for carpet, I'm not sure if it'll pull off or not. So that's why I always like to screw it in. So let's push it in. Oh, you can do it, Mama. This is my mom. She's my sister. You can do it. It's my mom.
Welcome, Lions.
Sister.
All done.
Okay, bye. And let's flip it over. Bye. Oh wait, let's empty the trash. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.